Good morning, good morning. What's going on, everybody? I haven't been on YouTube in a while. Just wanted to shoot this quick video because today is FOMC, right? So, for those who don't know, FOMC is the Federal Open Market Committee. Basically, the monetary policy making body of the Federal Reserve System. All right, it's composed of 12 members, 7 members on the board, governs, and I think about 12, right? Oh, 5 of the 12 reserve bank presidents. All right, so this happens about 8 meetings per year, about every 6 weeks or so. And today is one of them. So I wanted to go over some pairs for you guys to be on the lookout for, right? So just current pairs. I'm not going over everything in the Forex market. I just want to look at a couple currency pairs and tell you guys what to be on the lookout for today. All right. So here we go. Boom. All right. So first up, I'm going to do New Zealand USD. Perfect. Getting our up move. This is what we want. All right. If you're in New Zealand USD buy, which you should be, right? Everybody who's in my Telegram, you should still be in this pair. We got our uptrend here. Now, you really want to watch this. You want to make sure that price doesn't, break this trend line because we could see one more move down. Don't be surprised if we get down, right? If price happens to fake out here, and a lot of times, what I can tell you about this news events during the first half of the day, price will go usually one direction, and then once it comes, the news event is around 2 in the afternoon. It'll fake out. So if price happens to break this trend line and come back down here sharply, pull back, and then test here, you're gonna want to buy again. Buy again. All right, because long term, again, we are looking for this to go all the way back up. All right, all the way back up. So this is just the beginning. Don't worry, right? So we're really this part right here, we're just finally getting the breakout. All right. So if you haven't been boarding since the bottom here, which you should have, you want to wait for a correction. Right? And what I mean by correction, I mean right? So here, our pattern. Take this flag, and you want something like that over here. You want something like that, and then you're gonna buy. Okay. All right. Wait for that pullback, wait for that flag formation, and then buy. Okay. But again, wait. If you're not in this trade, don't jump in. You missed your move. Wait for that flag. Wait for that flag. And the way that price is coming up, it's not coming up really aggressive, even though it looks like it's going up. It's not really strong, super strong, big, large candlesticks like bullish candlesticks. So we could still get this come back down here. And if we do, you want to buy from this low. It's really about positioning. What you don't want to do on the news report is try to buy and sell 2 minutes before the report comes out. That's where a lot of fake outs happen, right? You ever traded a news event and price will go up one way, you think it's a buy, and then it'll go down another way, then turn into a sell, then it'll jump back to a buy. A lot of times with these big news events, you'll have whipsaw candles where it's going up and down, up and down, up and down, right? So you want to try to understand market structure before the news event comes out. So right now, we got this uptrend. Price is finally breaking out of this daily trend line, right? Prices finally, well, I should say 4-hour trend line. Price broke out here. So after every breakout, as you know, we need that pullback. So wait for this, then buy. All right. I don't care how much that's going up. All right. That's there to entice you. That's going to make you make a mistake that you don't. Because especially on a news event like this, the pullback can be very, very vicious. All right. So wait for that. Okay. But this should go up. If you also know that this is also an invert head and shoulder, right? Got your head, boom, shoulder. So price should definitely come back up here and eventually all the way back up there. All right. So that's New Zealand USD. Great Britain USD. Great Britain USD is starting to break out too. All right. So as you can see, if you didn't buy, wait for the breakout, right? Discuss this on Tuesday. You want to wait for that breakout. Breakout is happening right now. You need it to be strong. Like you see this candlestick right here, this bullish engulfing. We wanted to see it strong. We want to see it strong and then wait for a correction. Pull back over there, right? If you guys remember, what does this pattern look like to you? Right? Remember this? We discussed this. You guys should know what this is, right? This is, we saw this on Great Britain CAD. Great Britain CAD. See that? See that? See where this started? Came back right up there, and then eventually dropped. Right now, we're getting another flag, and then boom. Right? See that pattern right there? That's exactly what's happening. So you see after that pattern, you got that bullish move to the upside. So that's what we're getting over here for Great Britain USD. So that pattern, and eventually we're going to get all the way back up to around 136. So that's a nice, somewhere 300-400 pips, give or take. Right, probably a little bit higher before we look to go back. But before we get to that part, you need same thing like New Zealand USD. Don't rush, guys. Don't rush. Let the market set up for you. Wait for a correction. You see what happened here? This breakout, and then what happens? This is what happens where a lot of traders, they buy right away, and then boom. That can happen, especially during the news report, right? News event. And right now, again, this is looking kind of corrective. Even though it's going up, I could easily see this coming back down one more time. And if it does, don't worry. You want to buy again, right? This whole structure pattern is telling us reversal. So just buy again at the bottom. Don't try buying here, here, here. Wait till it gets all the way to the bottom, and then. So you don't want to buy here. If anything, you want to wait for a flag. For a flag. It's on an uptrend. Let's get an uptrend flag. Right? Flag, something like this. See how this came up and then gave you that flag. Here. And boom, you want to see a flag there. And then you want to see a move to the upside, right? And let's get a nice uptrend here. There we go. And then you want to get your move to the upside. Right? And this is going to be a very good move, so you don't want to miss that. All right. Then you'll get your move to the upside. If not, if price doesn't give us a flag and we get this type of pattern, right? We get this type of pattern where price just strong reversal right there. Just buy at the low. Buy at the low here, and then boom. And then that's your move. Buy here. So you're either going to wait for the flag, then buy. If not, you're going to buy at the bottom here. And then we're going to look to go long. That long-term move is still going to happen. All right, it's still gonna come. Why? Because this entire structure says so. All right. Euro USD. So Euro USD is finally breaking above this here, which is what break of this. Now price needs to stay. Same thing, right? Same thing. I need a break above here. Retest. Right? Use event can do this. Break, pull back, drop again. If that happened, same thing. We're still looking to go long, right? So let it break out, wait for a pullback, then buy. Don't buy now. This is a bad area to buy now. All right. Right. Gold. Gold is starting to pull back. Right. Again, I would probably wait to the news event if you're not already in this trade. See it coming back all the way down here. All right. Honestly, this should be the end of the flag. We're looking for this to go all the way to back up to 13. All right. Easily back up to 1283. All right. So we got time for this. All right. Like I said, pullbacks always happen. That's why when price was going up, there was no need to rush. Wait for the pullback, right? Wait for the pullback. And now we're getting that pullback. Let the next 4-hour candle close, right? To see if this bullish candlestick stays. If it stays around here, especially come news report, then we could possibly look for that buy. I don't see this coming all the way back down there. But if it does, right, in the event, if news event shoots this all the way down here, you're still looking for a buy. You're still looking for a buy. All right. Still looking for a buy. And with silver. So as you can see here, silver starting to turn, right? It pulled back. This is the area you're looking to buy anyways, right? Same reversal pattern. Boom. We're looking for this to go all the way back up to 17, right? So again, go. This, you got your flag here, right? 1, 2, right? Could get one more down and then take off, possibly, right? Wait for this to close above and then look for a buy. So if you buy above here, your stop loss would be below here. If you want down here, again, this is going to be a long-term move to the upside. All right. No matter what, we're still looking for this move up. All right. So be on the lookout for that. All right. I don't see it coming back down, but in the event it does, look to buy at the low again. Same thing around here. Even if it drops a little bit lower, look to buy. Swiss franc is actually setting up really nice. All right. I'm liking this. Really, really liking this. So we got this. We got this. Wait for the breakout. Got a nice move all the way back down here. If not, look to sell at the top here. Right? If price comes back up there, look to sell from the top there. Right? If not, wait for the breakout. When I say breakout, strong candlestick like this. See that? A big bearish strong candlestick like that. Not a baby candlestick where it's just barely passing through. Like, see how this just barely passed through, right? No, like a strong confirmation. All right, you're looking for that. And long term, price will come all the way down. Right, so this is going to be a big, big sell to the downside. Right, all the way back down, 700 pips. USD CAD. All right, USD CAD still not breaking this support right here. Right, projecting. That means we can still get this move up, right? And if it does come up, you want to sell right here. Right here. If price does break through, same thing. We got to wait for a strong candlestick like this, right? Let it break through. Let it strongly break through. Retest, and then sell. All right. You still have enough time to catch the move. All right. Even if it breaks through from here, you still got over 120. I'm expecting this to come even down more to like 128 to around 200 pips. All right. You still got time to catch this. You just want to do this correctly. All right. And we got a lot of CAD news coming up, not only tomorrow, but next week as well. So I'm still expecting a bearish move down. If price comes back up, especially if it pulls back up here, honestly, better for us. That means we're going to look to sell again. All right, long term, I'm looking to sell all these CAD pairs. Why? Right. Same thing here. Right. Okay. We need the breakout. We need that breakout. We need that breakout. Don't sell now. Right. Especially after this strong bullish, we could see one more move to the top here. Right. So only sell breakout. It has to break below this range. Break here, strong bearish candlestick like the size of this, but bearish right there. Look for a small correction and then sell. All right. And update. Trade exotics here. Boom. Got the drop. This is a nice, strong confirmation right here. I am looking for this. You see? This is a good example. Perfect example, right? You got a nice flag right there. Right? So you got your impulse, you see? Strong bearish impulse. Now you're getting another one. Now we're looking for this to come all the way down here. Now this is a very exotic pair. All right. The spreads are huge. If you're going to trade this, be careful. There's always retracements with this. So wait for something like this and then come back. Like let it retest. This area just broke and then sell. And then sell. All right, guys. And then USD peso. I'm going over all the US pairs because today is a big day for USD currencies. Here. And looking for this to come back down. USD peso. I would mostly stick. I would watch honestly for gold, silver, Great Britain pound, and New Zealand USD. I would focus on these pairs as far instead of the exotics. Right? And I forgot to do odd USD. Odd USD coming back. Right? So perfect. This is perfect right here. Right? Yes. Impulse. Flag. Now you're getting a continuation. Looking for that to come all the way back up. Right? There we go. Right? So same thing. If you're not already in this pair, right? Wait for another pullback like this before buying. And watch it up. Watch for this to go up. All right, guys. So I just wanted to do this short, quick video. I didn't want to do it on my cell phone, so I said let me go back to YouTube. I'll start doing more of these again, probably once a week, just overviewing some pairs that I really see some great potential happening. Remember, at the end of the day, we're looking for buys all across the board. Even if they retest the low, look to buy. All right, guys? Don't jump in the middle of the news event. Don't try to buy, sell 2 minutes and, you know, try your trick strategies of, you know, pending orders and all that other stuff. All right, guys? Be smart, be responsible, use proper risks, and have a profitable day.